Before I get into the video, just want to show you what where I got it from, blows, how much it costs, the specifications, and everything that people normally talk about. You can read it for yourselves, see how many gallons it got, 26, and everything about it. That's all. What the washing machine can do, what it's capable of doing, or what it's supposed to do. All the marketing that they use to sell it to you. But really, all I care about is, does it wash clothes? Simple. That's all I bought it for. Anything else extra that it comes with, I'm happy with. Just as long as they're able to, knock out the dirt, do what I bought it to do. All the extras and all the perks and all the extra things that it come with is just a bonus. So I'm just here to show you, let you see that for yourself before I show you what the washing machine can do, or basically what it's going to do, basically wash your clothes. But my main issue with this, and only issue was, which is a small issue, is that this washing machine does an excellent and wonderful job. It just didn't add enough water to me, no matter if I push the deep fill button or not. It seemed like it always can use just a little bit more water. And since these washing machines are supposed to be efficient, they don't use so much water to do its job. But I eliminate that problem by doing a simple hookup, to just make life a little more easier for myself. Besides that, just wanted to show you everything that's online, what this boy's supposed to do, the specifications, and everything. But besides that, let's get into the video. Holla at your boy. Got this nice GE washing machine. And my only complaint, which I did some reviews and checked out before I purchased it, was that it did not fill up with enough water. That this washing machine does not fill up with enough water. Besides that, I would say the machine does exactly what you want it to do: wash clothes. But to alleviate that problem of it not adding water, I bought one of these. As you can see, you got your two connectors for your washing machine, but you also got a 6-foot hose that I can just extend. We put that right there for now. Go over, I turn the knob, and you can always just add extra water as much as you want. You can fill it all the way up if you wanted to. So if adding water to the washing machine is a problem, this is the best way. You don't need a bucket to fill it up, pour it in here. Just get your 6-foot hose, a 3 or 4-way connector, and just add some water to the washing machine. It's as easy as that. Problem solved. Here it's washing, doing this thing. So again, the washing machine is excellent. So if just the washing machine not adding no water, because how these washing machines are now, they're supposed to be efficient, use less water and all that crap. But as you know, we all want more water in our washing machine. And what better way to add more water? You just add a 6-foot hose, run it over to your washing machine, and problem solved. And there you go. You have no more problems. The washing machine doing his thing. Right here, set up in my kitchen. Not a problem. Wash clothes. Don't never have to worry about going to a laundromat, dealing with ignorant people, fighting. You never have to leave the comfort of your home. I mean, it's just as simple as that. A simple hookup to alleviate the main and only problem that I saw online. So basically, this is how me, your boy Dino, get more water in his washing machine every time. Turn on with a flick of a switch, add more water, and as you see, you hear, and let the washing machine do its thing. See, you got your water level, you got your temperature control, you got your deep fill where you can add extra water. But to me, no matter how many times I use that, it still don't put enough water in. That's why I had to do what I showed you. It's on the rinse cycle right now. You got your delicate, bulky towels, sanitized, quick wash, wipes, casuals, active wear. You got your normal, you got your no spin, extra rinse, deep rinse. You got add soap, normal soap, and add power. I mean, just a basic wash machine. Don't do no more, no less than what I wanted to do, wash clothes. My only problem was, to me, at times, it didn't add enough water. So I came up with that conclusion of how to add more water, and I'm just here to share it with y'all. So not all washing machines do that, but the ones that do that, this is an option. So just basically how to add more water without a problem, without stressing out, without thinking you need to take it back. Washing machine gonna wash your clothes clean. You just need this option just to wash your clothes. You know, just to add a little more water in there. Nothing more, nothing less. Besides that, man, I can't complain. Washing machine does its job. I get my clothes clean and I'm happy. Besides that, what more can you ask for? So here again, this your boy, Dino, and peace.
What are you, fucking nuts?